Nature and symptoms of insomnia. 1. Nature of insomnia. Insomnia can have various patterns of onset. It can be acute, lasting a few nights or weeks, often triggered by temporary factors like stress or environmental changes. It can also be chronic, persisting for a month or longer and occurring at least 3 nights per week. Insomnia can be classified as transient, lasting less than a week, short-term, lasting 1 to 3 weeks, or chronic, persisting for more than 3 weeks. Insomnia can be further classified based on the underlying cause, such as primary insomnia, not associated with any other condition, or secondary insomnia, resulting from another medical or psychiatric condition. 2. Symptoms of insomnia. Individuals with insomnia may have trouble initiating sleep. They may lie awake in bed for a prolonged period before being able to fall asleep. Insomnia often involves waking up multiple times during the night. Individuals may find it challenging to return to sleep after awakening, resulting in fragmented sleep. Some individuals with insomnia may wake up too early in the morning and find it difficult to go back to sleep, even if they haven't had sufficient sleep. Insomnia can lead to non-refreshing sleep, where individuals don't feel rested even after an adequate duration of sleep. They may wake up feeling tired, fatigued, or unrefreshed. Insomnia can cause significant daytime impairments, including excessive daytime sleepiness, difficulty concentrating, poor memory, reduced attention span, irritability, mood disturbances, and decreased productivity. Insomnia can be triggered or exacerbated by anxiety, stress, or racing thoughts that make it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Insomnia can be associated with physical symptoms such as headaches, gastrointestinal disturbances, muscle tension, or general discomfort. Chronic insomnia can have a significant impact on an individual's daily functioning, including work performance, social interactions, relationships, and overall quality of life. It's important to remember that everyone's experience with insomnia can vary. Some individuals may experience difficulty falling asleep, while others may have issues with maintaining sleep throughout the night. The severity and impact of symptoms can also differ from person to person. If you are experiencing persistent sleep difficulties or suspect you have insomnia, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional who specializes in sleep disorders. They can help evaluate your symptoms, identify potential underlying causes, and develop a personalized treatment plan to improve your sleep quality and overall well-being.